Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in Chrome, so open the browser and go straight to Settings. Click the three dots at top right and choose Settings. Once inside, move to Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. This groups controls that affect pop-ups. You'll see pop-ups and redirects listed. Select it now. Make sure the default is blocked and remove any sites listed under Allowed. This first step stops most unsolicited pop-ups and prepares you for stricter controls in the next slide. Once done with the main pop-up toggle, inspect the allowed list and remove any domains you do not recognize. Click the trash icon or block them individually. Next, return to Site Settings and open Notifications. Many pop-ups use notifications, so set the default to block and revoke permissions for problematic sites. If persistent pop-ups remain, consider a trusted ad block or pop-up blocker extension from the Chrome Web Store, and make sure to only grant it minimal permissions to protect privacy. To finish, clear your cache and cookies because stored data can retrigger redirects. Go to Clear Browsing Data and choose Cookies and Cached Images. If pop-ups persist, use Settings right arrow reset and clean up right arrow restore settings to their original defaults to remove hidden changes. Also, audit extensions and disable any you don't recognize, then run a malware scan with reputable software. If you still see pop-ups after these steps, restart Chrome and repeat the checks. This usually resolves lingering permission or extension issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.